Hey everyone, this is Dave the Phone Guy coming at you with a quick unboxing and review of the Honor FlyPods 2. I have been using these for about 2 months now, and I have to tell you, they are amazing. Yes, they are a complete knockoff of Apple's AirPods, but comparing them to the AirPod, I can tell you the sound that comes out of them while listening to music is much better. The bass is deeper, the highs are way crisper. As for comfort, I keep these in my ears for hours and I forget they're there. The FlyPods connect via Bluetooth 5.0 very quickly. Once paired, it takes about 3 seconds for them to connect to the phone. They do have a waterproof rating of IP54, and the charging case has a 4200 milliamp battery that will give you about 20 hours of playback. The charging case can be charged wirelessly or via USB-C. Each FlyPod has a 25 milliamp battery and gives you around 3 hours of talk time and 2.5 hours of listening to music or podcast. To pair the FlyPod to your phone is very simple. All you need to do is slide down the notification drawer and long press the Bluetooth icon. Open the FlyPod case and long press the button on the back for 3 seconds and wait for your phone to find them. Once you see the Honor FlyPods on your screen, go ahead, pair them to your device. That's it. You're all done. Pull them out, put them in your ears, and you're good to go. The FlyPod has touch controls. The left earbud can be used to activate your voice assistant, while the right earbud controls media playback. Each earbud can be used to answer and reject calls. I was able to find mine on eBay for $90. The pros, the price is great compared to Apple's. Wireless charging, USB-C charging, and they're very comfortable. Cons, battery life is only 2.5 hours, and their charging case and the AirPods themselves are slightly larger than Apple's. In my opinion, the FlyPods have a fashionable design. They're also ready to go with USB-C and wireless charging. There's an LED indicator to tell you how much charge you have left and an IP54 waterproof rating. The sound quality is amazing and nobody has complained about the voice quality. Guys, that's all I have for you today. If you like this review and unboxing, please subscribe and give me that thumbs up. Thanks so much.